Hey, what's up everybody? Sami here, and this is Xiaohua, our guest for this video. Can you say hello?
Hi.
Alright, so today we are going to take a quick look at the Xiaomi Civi 2. Everybody knows Xiaomi Civi series is for photo taking, for selfies, for beautiful girls, and for boys, you know. But I'm not a selfie guy, so I invited Xiaohua here. We are going to enjoy some photos and to check out what's new about this Xiaomi Civi 2. So without further ado, let's get started. So here, obviously we can see this generation is much bigger than the first generation. That's because it includes the charger and also the cable. Oh, we don't like eco-friendly, right? Okay, all right. This is the demo machine. The color is 小白裙, little skirt. that's what how I translate. 8 gigs of RAM plus 256 gigs of storage. Let's just unbox it. You can see the first layer that includes this usual stuff, the pen, menu, and also a transparent case. And then the Civi phone. Alright, so basically it's just a white phone. Alright. Wow. So freaking lightweight. Ah, wow. This texture is like kind of the wave texture. The wave pattern feels really comfortable, but we'll move to that later. Let's check out the charger and other accessories. The charger is 67 watts, and also we have the Type-C, A to Type-C, and that's it, nothing new. Alright, that's the phone. Ooh, so first let's check out the design. Here we have the infrared blaster. On the top is Dolby Adams, right? And this denoise mic. Here, power key, volume rocker, Type-C, charging port speaker, and also we got the SIM card tray. Dual card, dual standby, no SD card expansion supported, and nothing here. Alright, that's the design. Now, let's move to the camera performance directly. On the back, it has a triple camera setup comprising an OIS-assisted 50 megapixel Sony IMX766 primary sensor, a 20 megapixel Sony IMX3 76K ultra-wide unit, and a 2 megapixel micro snapper. Here I used it to take a few samples. I found it supports up to 10 times of digital zoom. You can check some of the photos I've taken. In addition to this usual photo taking, I found something else. Like it offers different features and even a beautify feature to let you choose between levels 0 and 100. Also, you can adjust the size of the aperture. The bigger aperture makes the most bokeh effect, though I found it's too exaggerated. Anyway, I'm not very impressed with the rear camera. It's just mediocre. Nothing stands out. But for the selfie-focused phone like the Civi 2, the main highlight of the smartphone is its front camera system. It has dual 32 megapixel sensors inside the pair. The main sensor supports autofocus, while the secondary sensor is fitted with a 100-degree ultra-wide lens. These two front cameras are accompanied by quad LED flashlights, which can operate at multiple color temperatures. Xiaomi has also baked in many camera features in the software to make use of the hardware, like it has a separate beautify algorithm for girls and boys when taking photos together, though I haven't found much of a big difference. Here are more selfies I took. Let me know how they are. Regarding the video performance, one thing I like is the teleprompter feature. You can use that to put in scripts or hints while you are talking to the camera. You can even adjust the text size and speed. And if you're wondering about the video resolution, the rear camera supports up to 4K 30fps, whilst for the front, it only supports up to 1080p 60fps. Let me know if you like the camera footage. This is the front camera, 1080p 60fps, and let me know if it's stable. I'm not sure if it's stable or something. Wow, but seems all good, but the background seems got a little overexposed, right? And we have this little machine here. Hey, buddy, how's it going? I'm on your way. Okay. Now I'm recording 4K 30 FPS on the Xiaomi Civi 2. Okay, I'm gonna run a little bit to see if it is stable. Let me know if it's stable. Ooh. Is it stable? Let me know, alright? So here, I'm going downstairs. Hello. For audio, here is how it sounds. It only has one speaker, by the way. Only one mic.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Don't stop, come on baby, don't you stop. Don't stop.
For the specs, the Civi 2 measures 7.23mm in thickness and weighs 171.8 grams. I've got to say, it is one of the lightest I've used so far. Perfect for a small hand. It arrives in 4 colors: white, pink, black, and blue. The white version is actually from the special Hello Kitty edition. Super cool. The Xiaomi Civi 2 is built around a 6.55-inch curved Full HD Plus OLED display, 120Hz refresh rate, and 10-bit color depth. The screen supports 800 nits peak brightness level, 240Hz touch sampling rate, and 1920Hz PWM dimming. The phone comes with MIUI 13 based on Android 12 and is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 1 chipset. In case you want to know the Android benchmark, I tested as well. I guess it's enough for daily tasks, but not for heavy gaming. Compared to the original Civi, I guess the biggest upgrade is the dual 32-megapixel selfie cameras, as the original only has one 32-megapixel lens. The Civi 2 also offers a 67 watts fast charger and cables, and you know what? It's even cheaper than the first generation. For the price and availability, you can check out the link in the description. And yeah, please don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any videos like this in the future. Alright, that's the video. I think the upgrade is solid and it does offer some great features for selfies, you know. But the thing is, a good phone doesn't guarantee you can take good photos. So yeah, even with a beautiful actress like Xiaohua. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm Sami. Please subscribe. See you next time. Bye bye.